I want to just tell a bit about what this workshop is, what this actually is, because I know you've probably been to a lot of seminars and a lot of CEU classes and workshops. And usually it's something where there's a teacher who's giving you information and teaching you techniques, and you gain hopefully some useful things that you can use, and you write a lot of notes and you absorb maybe 10% of it. And if you really study well, you get some more than that. This is different today. What this says is that this very timely workshop will support acupuncturists and holistic practitioners in profound healing of their own issues that have been very difficult to fully resolve. That immediately makes this as different than most classes. The chaotic times we live in are fertile ground for such core healing and rapid elevation of your consciousness. These will be facilitated through instruction in powerful methods of quantum healing and meditation, augmented by the group consciousness field. The methods you learn can be applied to treating your patients. So what's that saying is this is primarily for you. And as you allow yourself to, if you allow yourself to go through this transformative process, you'll actually will have new techniques like working with the chakras and working with subpersonalities and working with clearing blocks. Like these are very profound healing techniques. But the main thing is you'll be in a different place. And that's actually the most important thing for being a healer or a catalyst. I like the word catalyst actually better than healer, because healer implies that I'm healing somebody, which is only partially accurate. I believe that we all have a master healer inside of ourselves that is infinitely powerful, and that I can act as a catalyst to you or my clients to help you realize that and accept it and tap into that. And then things like spontaneous remissions and miracle shifts can happen. So that's why I call myself a quantum catalyst rather than a quantum healer. And I think you'll experience more about what that means. This self-healing process is taught in this course is based on identifying the seeming gap between your more spiritually evolved conscious self and your more pain dysfunctional shadow self, because we all have both of them. Right? It's this gap that creates depression, fatigue, and unfulfilled potential in healers. You'll gain powerful keys for integrating your light and shadow sides, thereby providing core healing for such issues. Clearing and aligning yourself with the heaven of your highest self also brings other blessings. You have the satisfaction of knowing you're doing your part in helping heal our planet through doing your own inner work. Your healing abilities are augmented to the master level with less focus on techniques. Needed resources, including money, flow to you more easily. These are expressions of bringing heaven to earth through your own experience. A vital truth is we can only support the healing of others to the depth that we have healed ourselves. I want to say that one more time. We can only support the healing of others to the extent that we've done our own inner healing work. And this is important at this time because increasing numbers of people are coming to acupuncturists looking for help with stuff way beyond what we were trained to do in school. I mean, deep subconscious soul level issues, karmic issues, the things that they didn't teach us this stuff. So new methods are required to provide more than just temporary palliative relief for such people. So the rest of this we'll go over later, but I just wanted to set the tone for what this is. So basically, there's two aspects to what we're going to be doing today. Learning methods that you can use clinically with your patients. And the other is the transformation. So what do you want more? Do you want more education or transformation?
And Darren, it's interesting because when we talked about preparing for this course
Yeah.
this year and ongoing, the world's changed from a transactional economy to an experiential economy to a transformational. Your patients may not even consciously be aware of it, but what they're looking for is transformation. Whether you get their knee pain better or not, they want to be happy, which means they want to be transformed. So that's why this material is so important.